So, anything look different besides the mass amount of pollen? Nope, you didn't get it yet. Here, let's try that side. Oh my god, where's my side skirt? So, as you see, guys, my side skirt is gone. Now, where is it? There it is. So you're probably wondering what happened to it, and it's kind of embarrassing, but I was parked next to a curb, didn't see that it was there, and I went to make a turn and just kind of clipped it and it fell off. But it's okay, because we were going to take them off anyways, and I know you're probably thinking that I'm just saying that, but no, we got some big plans for this car, and we're kind of redoing it a little bit. So we're actually taking these side skirts off. This one, it already came off, so let's just move to the other side, and then we're going to drill the rivets out on that and take that one out. Cool. You can see all the tops of the rivets on the drill bit. Now, when I put these side skirts on, I didn't just rivet them, I also used this polyurethane to hold them on. And I guess it's not that strong. Maybe I spoke too soon. There we go. And there's the other side skirt off. Now it left a little bit of this residue of this polyurethane, so I'm just gonna peel all of that off. Now it did leave some holes, and I'm a little worried about rust because it doesn't really cover it from water. So I'm going to get some silicone and cover the holes. So you're probably wondering what I'm going to do with these side skirts. I mean, you're probably wondering also what I'm going to do with my RX8, but I can't tell you that yet. So subscribe and you'll figure it out pretty soon this summer. As for the side skirts, these are going to be up on Craigslist, so I'll leave a link in the description if anyone wants to pick them up if you're in the area. I'm just trying to make some money to put back into this car, which again you'll see a little bit later. So I'm also going to be selling the wheels that I have on it right now. These are actually my winter wheels with my winter tires. Oh yeah, I'm also going to be selling these. Oh yeah, these are my summer wheels and my summer tires, yep. I'm going to be getting rid of these things too. I'll leave links to all these things for sale in the description of this video. So pretty much selling all the parts of my car, including the old front bumper that I took off. The new one I will be getting painted pretty soon, I hope. I'm going to be getting new wheels for the RX8, so that's why I need to make some money. That's why I'm selling all these parts. All the money that I get from all these parts is going straight into this car. And you'll have to wait to see, so hit that subscribe button. Yeah, this is pretty much an update on the RX8. There's going to be a ton more RX8 content coming this summer. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.